We will install Blender on macOS. Just go to Google, type Blender, open blender.org and click on download Blender. It's an open source software in which you can edit your click on allow to download, in which you can edit your video projects, in which you can do a lot of stuff from graphic design to animation design to a lot of other things. So it's just downloading. We'll just come back in a minute. It is downloaded, so let's double click on it. It's extracting, verifying the DMG package. Just slide it, drag and slide it on the applications. If it's asked for admin, just enter your admin credentials. If you are logged in as admin, it will not ask for that. So let me just enter the creds. If we search in the Spotlight, Blender can be found. So I type command and space to open the Spotlight and then the application name, or you can go to your launchpad and can check for Blender there also. Yes, open Blender, and here comes the Blender. So it's a very sophisticated software. Language English, shortcut Blender, left spacebar play, theme black dark. There are other themes also. Maya, dark black, Blender light, Blender dark is good. Yeah, next. And then you can go for 2D animation, video editing. Let's go and have a video editing thing. A lot of videos. So I'll be going to Blender, going to desktop. I will allow it the permission to Blender to access my desktop, and then I can select the video files here. So yeah, let me select. I think I can drag and drop a video. Yes, as you can see, then we have its audio and video lines all together. We click on space, select your location, like you can select some other location with like select your, yeah, we can do a split. So it's actually a Blender install video. So I'll just show a simple export. Just like here you can set the end frame, like if you see, let me show you. My video is way longer, but I have an end frame set to 250, so it's showing the light here at 250 only. So to export a video after doing every editing, you can follow their official tutorials. You can follow some YouTube tutorials how to video edit in Blender. It's very easy and it's free. It's open source. So just go to render, click on render animation. Before that, like, resolution is set, aspect ratio is set, okay, frame rate you can set, so it picks up the default frame rate also, no issues in that. Then start and end frame, where you want to save the video, the directory you can set here. File format FFmpeg is good. Then other things we don't need to, like mpeg 4, okay, video codec H264, good. Quality we can go for perceptually low slash high quality. So yeah, encoding good speed is nice. Yeah, I mean the defaults are always good to choose. Then you can select audio codec. So mp3 has universal compatibility, so you can choose mp3 for YouTube and all. Recommended mp3 actually for that. Otherwise, for good audio quality you can choose AAC. So yeah, and the stereo is nice, no issue, even mono will work, but yeah, stereo is nice. Sample rates we don't need to change. Yeah, these are the general settings. This is the end frame. Till that only it will create your video, I mean will render your video. So then you can just go and click on render animation. Let me just change the location of the save output location. Just let me set. So I'm just setting it to desktop. Okay, let's me set in work. Yeah, work, accept and accept, and I click on render and render animation. So as you can see, it's showing the percentage monitor here. And don't close this window. If you close this, your rendering will stop, so you have to keep it open. You can see how many frames it has completed in the editing, and it's done. It was just 250 frames. It's done. It's a bit slow, plus it also depends on your graphic processor, your CUDA. Basically with NVIDIA it works best. So NVIDIA has CUDA cores. So if you have to install CUDA and CUDA core, maybe I will cover that someday. But yeah, this is the basic installation, default installation. So CUDA and NVIDIA can be used to speed up this rendering process through these video editing softwares, like Blender is one. So let's see the output. Yeah, let's head on to Finder, to desktop, work. So this is the video we just outputted just now. As you can see, 1130, 1137, 2.5 MB MP EG4 movie. Yeah, so nice. Then you can just use it wherever you want to use this edited video. So it's mainly an installation video, and now some guide to how you can learn about Blender the official way. The unofficial way is always like search on YouTube, like Blender video editing tutorials, Blender 3D animation tutorials. It's a very versatile software, no license, nothing. You can use it for your school project. If you're doing some professional animation or video editing course, probably they must be teaching you on some other software, but you can use this software also. Even if you are not into core this editing or design or something, you can always use Blender as an editing tool. Always comes in handy. Yeah, we can always follow a tutorial from the official website. User manual, tutorials, free tutorials. Yeah, Blender provides some free tutorials, so there you can definitely just go through their tutorial, and then can use Blender as an open source free, always free, was free and will be free. This great open source software for your video editing projects, for your 2D graphic design, 3D graphic design, for animation. You can create a full flash animated video, and there is an I guess Big Bunny, yeah, Big Buck Bunny is an animated short film made using Blender only. As you can see, everything in this is Blender, and it is copyright free. So yeah, I can play Big Buck Bunny. So let's just play it. This is all created using Blender. Very funny. The daughter name in itself is very funny. How gross. So yeah, that's all for Blender installation on macOS. Signing off. Let's go some shadow and not butterfly killing like in this short film. So